Have you ever wondered, what does it take to chase a dream? To hold tightly onto a vision, even when the world tries to pry it from your hands? This is a tale of dreams and determination. It's the story of Emily. Emily's life was a blend of simplicity, humility, and hardship. Her roots were deep in a small Texas town, her world confined to a poor family that struggled to make ends meet. Her mother, a beacon of kindness, did the best she could, but the good life was always just out of reach. When Emily was only 3, her father walked away, leaving them to navigate life alone. In the midst of this, Emily held on to a dream of glimmering city lights, of a bustling metropolis filled with opportunity. She dreamed of New York City and the glamorous world of modeling. Emily, with her captivating beauty, was a small-town girl with big city dreams. As she turned 18, the call of the city grew louder. With a heart full of excitement and a suitcase packed with hopes, she prepared to embark on a new chapter. But life had a twist in store. Upon reaching the train station, Emily discovered her suitcase, her money, her ticket, all gone. Her train had left, and with it, it seemed her dreams too. As tears streamed down her face, it felt like her dream was slipping through her fingers. Yet Emily was not one to be easily defeated. She refused to let this setback crush her spirit. Instead, she chose to fight, to work harder, to earn again and make another attempt. Back to the cafe she went, working double shifts under a difficult boss. Sleep was her only respite in a life consumed by hard work and the unyielding desire to make it to New York. Emily's journey was not easy, but her resolve was unshaken. She believed in her dream, in the power of hard work and perseverance. Her eyes stayed focused on her goal. Her heart refused to forget her dream. After what felt like an eternity of struggle, Emily's chance finally came. Her feet touched the soil of New York. Her eyes gazed upon the Brooklyn Bridge. The air was filled with inspiration. Hope bloomed in her heart. Her journey was a testament to the power of dreams, a testament to her unyielding determination. Emily's story is a reminder that dreams, no matter how big, can be achieved through resilience and hard work. Her journey is the embodiment of the saying, where there's a will, there's a way. So, remember, Emily, when the world seems too much, when the dream seems too far? Remember, it's possible. It's always possible.